Hello and welcome to Ajay's Romani Guru, your source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on the global commodity markets. I am Ria, and today we are diving deep into the dynamics of the CBOT soybean oil market. CBOT soil, a tightrope walk. CBOT soybean oil futures are treading carefully, ending marginally lower on Friday. The January 2026 contract settled at 51.69 cents per pound, slipping by just 0.10 cent. The market is caught in a tug-of-war, gaining support from a stronger crude oil complex, but facing significant downward pressure from weak free-on-board or FOB offers from South America. All the while, traders are closely watching for any firm indication of Chinese buying interest, which remains a crucial demand driver for the entire soy complex. Fund activity and market sentiment. Speculative funds are showing a cautious stance. On Thursday, estimated net selling saw funds liquidate 3,000 contracts, following a smaller net purchase the day before. This alternating flow of activity throughout the week underscores the market's indecision and a reaction to persistently weak demand signals in the physical market. Energy boost for crude oil. In contrast, crude oil prices are firming up. The January WTI contract closed 41 cents higher, or up 0.69%, hitting a two-week high. This strength is supported by the continuing geopolitical tensions in Ukraine, which keep sanctions on Russian energy exports in place, and an overall improvement in risk sentiment reflected by the S&P 500 rally. Global vegetable oil complex, the bearish reality. The broader vegetable oil complex, however, presents a more bearish picture, primarily led by palm oil and canola. Palm oil under supply glut. Palm oil, the chief competitor to soy, saw its benchmark BMD February crude palm oil contract finish 47 ringgit higher at 4,152 ringgit, recovering from a two-day decline. This bounce was fueled by bargain buying and the expectation of softer Malaysian November production, estimated to be down 4.38% month-on-month. However, recent Reuters data suggests Malaysian palm oil stocks likely hit a 6.5-year high in November due to slumping exports, with production still nearing a record for the month. This persistent, high inventory overhang keeps palm oil prices under pressure, and its continued price advantage, with the CBOT soil palm oil spread holding near $135, is actively redirecting demand away from the costlier soil. Canola's continued slide. ICE canola futures extended their losses for the week, pressured by follow-through selling after Statistics Canada's higher-than-expected crop estimate of 21.8 million tons. With China's importing activity remaining subdued, the January contract settled 7.10 lower at 617.90. Dahlia and Euronext. Dahlia vegetable oil markets and Euronext rapeseed did manage slight gains on mild short covering, but the overall sentiment remains cautious amid ample supply. South America's price pressure. South American soybean oil markets are actively contributing to the downside. Exporters in Argentina and Brazil are trimming nearby FOB offers and widening discounts for forward shipments, signaling expectations of abundant global availability. Argentina's January FOB eased to $1,122 per metric ton, while Brazil slipped to $1,133 per metric ton. This price action reinforces the theme of comfortable global supply. Looking ahead, we may see some temporary support from seasonal buying ahead of the Chinese New Year and the early part of Ramadan. However, a sustained, durable recovery in soil prices will require a substantial increase in global consumption and a more decisive, long-term improvement in the energy complex. A major move in soy oil may be seen in the coming month. Will that be an upside surge or a downside drop? Contact us for advanced analysis. The number is available on the screen and in the description. Stay informed, stay ahead. Thank you for tuning in to
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज की करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और शोषे इलिश भापा। साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झांझ, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।